ZipBooks versus Wave. Which free accounting tool is better for freelancers? Today we compare ZipBooks and Wave, features, pros, cons, and pricing, and verdict. Wave offers free accounting and invoicing for freelancers and micro businesses. Core features include invoicing, expense tracking, bank feeds, and basic financial reports. Payroll is available as a paid add-on in the US or Canada. ZipBooks provides free invoicing and expense tracking with paid tiers for advanced reporting and automation. It uses AI to categorize transactions and offers a financial health score to track business performance. Among the pros of Wave would be 100% free, core accounting, unlimited invoicing, beginner-friendly. But among its cons, limited integrations, payroll only in US or Canada. ZipBooks pros would be smart automation, affordable paid tiers, financial health insights, but among its cons would be no payroll, limited inventory, and scaling challenges. Wave's core accounting is completely free with payroll as a paid add-on. ZipBooks offers a free starter plan with paid tiers for $15 to $35 per month for advanced features. So Wave is best for freelancers and micro businesses who want free invoicing and expense tracking, while ZipBooks is better for small businesses that want automation, smarter insights, and affordable paid tiers.